In today's video, I'll show you how to install the HD Upscaled texture mods to improve the graphics of Resident Evil 7. Check my video description for this site link. There are two versions available. One is for ray tracing version and another one is for non-ray tracing version. If our in-game graphics settings has ray tracing option, then it means our game version is ray tracing version. Scroll down and download the pods. In my case, I have the ray tracing version. Download these two pods. For non-ray tracing version, download these three pods. Once download done, right click on the part 1 and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. And drop these pack file inside of a game folder. Place the file in the destination. Once done, go back and open the part 2 and drop these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, just close stuff here and launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this texture mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.